How to find blocked people on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to find blocked people on Instagram. So let's begin. The very first step that I would like you to do is to make sure first that your Instagram app is up to date. So if not, simply open your App Store or your Google Play Store and then search for Instagram, and then make sure that the update button is not visible anymore. So if you have that update button, make sure to click it and then wait for it to load. And once you have updated your Instagram, simply open it and then go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. And then once you're in your profile, simply click on the three lines found on the upper right corner and go to settings. Once you're in settings, you may go to privacy right here and scroll down, and you may be able to see the connections section right here. So in order for you to see your blocked people or blocked users on Instagram, simply click on blocked accounts right here. And then this should show all of the list of those who you blocked on Instagram. So right here, you may also um, block someone by clicking on the plus button found on the upper right corner. So do take note that this will only show those who you blocked and not those who blocked you. So again, this list will only show the users or the account that you blocked and not those users that blocked you. So that's it. That's how you can find blocked people on Instagram. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.